morning, everybody. I'm Mike.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we are Van Life Sheldon's Travels. Sheldon, he's a little yellow belly slider turtle. He's already packed up in his tank in the van this morning. But today, we are just south of Pismo Beach. We went to that travel trailer car show rally thing this weekend. It was amazing. But today, we parked right here again. We did 2 nights here at this park and ride, and it worked out. It was super quiet here.
Yeah, we really appreciate it, especially after coming from LA.
Yeah, super quiet. Could hear a pin drop. Maybe 3 or 4 cars all day that come down this road. It's pretty much a dead end into a neighborhood. But today, we're going to jet out of here, start heading north. Got a couple cool things we're going to check out. It has to do with the ocean. Look around. Of course, we'll bring you guys with us. Just to let you guys know, sometimes our videos are super interesting. Sometimes they're just our day. So I know sometimes you guys are like, oh, this video was lame, boring, whatever. But that was our day. And sometimes our day is a little lame and a little boring. But other days are exciting, and you never know what we're going to get into. So we just roll the camera and see what happens and bring you with us. And I think that's what's interesting about the channel is I don't know what's going to happen, and you don't know what's going to happen, and we figure it out together, guys. So let's get on the road, start the day. Well, guys, we decided right here is a Little Caesars. We'd stop, get a little hot and ready double pepperoni, double cheese pizza here, and have a little lunch.
Looks good.
Looks good, and then we'll get back on the road, guys. Well, we made it right here to Pismo Beach, right here by the pier. Got some parking, $2 an hour till 6 o'clock, so we did 1 hour, then it'll be free after that. But right here's a penny machine, it's closing at 6, so we're gonna head over there and see if we can figure it out. If you don't know, Steph likes to press these pennies at these machines. You'll get to see it here in a minute, guys. Well, guys, I've seen this on the side of the road. That's a pretty cool Jeep and camper setup.
Pismo Beach with clams. I really like the old Jeep with the...
I think that's the wood panel with the surfboard. Alright, guys, we're right here in Pismo Beach. Steph found a penny machine. Good deal. One more crank around. Few cranks. We'll add this to our collection. You probably have 30 of these. Something like that. Check it out, guys. Pismo Beach. Look Looking cool. Wow, this pier is pretty nice, guys. Beautiful day. Yesterday it was rainy and nasty, but today the sun has come out. Beautiful outside. So
Yep. The waves are looking awesome.
Crashing.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, guys, let's look around. Bring you with us. Well, guys, we're gonna head out of here. We walked the pier, checked out the beach, walked the little town. Steph got a penny, and I even grabbed a couple of stickers. 101 Pismo Beach, good deal. So we're gonna hop in the van, off to the next spot. Gonna just keep heading up the 101. I think we're just gonna head to a boondocking spot and well, guys, we got in the back of the van, decided we were kind of hungry, and Renee had mentioned this spot, Splash, I think is what it's called.
Splash Cafe.
Splash Cafe. They have some clam chowder, but we learned some history that none of the clam chowder here, no clams are allowed to be harvested here anymore. There's a ban on them until they get to a certain size. So all of these clams come from somewhere else, but the recipes are the same, and they've been serving clam chowder here for decades. So yeah, we got the bread bowl, extra clams, and a soda. That'll work. Right here on a corner spot with a beautiful view.
It is kind of cold and chilly, so perfect day for clam chowder.
Off in the way is the beach and the sunset. We decided, come on over here and get some dinner and enjoy this. Then we'll figure out a boondocking spot, and you guys can see that tomorrow. We meant to be a little further on today, but who cares? No big deal. We'll just hang out and enjoy ourselves. So we appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
More content on the Patreon.
And as always, we'll see you in the next one.
Have a good night, guys.
Thanks for watching.
To get your Van Life Sheldon's travel stickers, go to our PayPal. The link is in the description below. One can be yours for $5 or 2 for $8 going to the same address. And please remember to include your address with your payment. As always, Thanks for traveling with us.